Hi friends, Rockett here with Miss Lydia. Having a wine tasting, open house today. 20% off plants and pottery, and 20% off cuteness too. So we're having a good success. A couple of cars right there, and way over there you got patrons coming in. It's a good thing. Loads of flowers. Flowers oh plenty. Look at that coleus. Do you see that coleus, that lime green coleus? Let me, Rockett, take us over there. Lydia, tell them about the coleus. Look at this. See that big old orange pot? You could take that right out of the pot and put that in the pot next to it. The big, your big planters, and it'd be full. Look, is that awesome? Not quite as awesome as that. Oh, I know it. That's just awesome. All right, my friends, getting ready to put this to an end. Open house 2019, wine and gift shop. Who does that? Rockett, that's weird. Yeah, I know, but you're weird. Did you just call me weird? Yeah, it'd be all right. Now, she's not weird. She's adorable. Look at the geraniums. All right, my friends, you know how this goes. Rockett's Bug Juice Gardens, where flowers brighten your day. Of course, Miss Lydia will brighten your day. Here's a Jesus poke just for you, because he loves you so very much, regardless of what you think you've done in the past. So just die to yourself. Jesus loves you. It's faded, but not on my heart. God loves you.